The alert came back. And this time it said my name. Every screen in my house lit up again. Phone, TV, laptop, all showing the same message. Do not open the door. The voice that followed wasn't panicked anymore. It sounded calm, almost relieved, like it had finally found me. I checked the peephole anyway. Huge mistake. Someone was standing outside, completely still. Not moving, not breathing, just listening. The alert changed again. That isn't a person. I stepped back, my heart pounding, and the thing outside slowly tilted its head, like it could somehow hear my heartbeat through the door. Then every device in my house shut off at once. The hallway went silent, and the last alert flashed on my phone. It knows you're alone.